So hey guys, I'm here with Nikki, a nutritionist in Phoenix, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about what's going on.
Today, we are in front of all this amazing food, and this is called POWWOW, Produce on Wheels Without Waste, brought to you by Borderlands. It's not a food bank, anyone can use it. But what this is a program where you can get 60 pounds of produce for $10. $10! And a lot of it is organic. It's amazing. All of this produce was grown in Mexico. It came across the border destined for the grocery store. But for various reasons, they don't take it. It's not perfect in size, it doesn't have the right color, or it's blemished. And instead of them saying, okay, we don't want this box, we don't want this, they say, we don't want this entire truckload. So you'll see all of this produce is a lot of the same stuff. It's because this entire truckload of tomatoes they didn't take. So what would happen normally before this program came about, it would just go to the landfill. So all this amazing food, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with, I would say, 95% of it. But the 95% would just rot when we have all these people starving. But 60 pounds is a lot of food. So make some friends, give some away, or check out next what we're gonna do in the kitchen with some of this amazing produce.
Definitely. So we'll show you guys a little bit more of the produce here, and then we will meet you back in my kitchen.